So I'm gonna do a video on what's inside my purse. So I have this Brahmin crossbody purse, small purse. And say hey, Malaya.
Hi.
Okay, this is the purse. And I have my my car keys.
I got a purse too.
I have my wallet, small wallet or a small purse. I have my lip gloss, my mask, some hand sanitizer. Let's see, some more lip gloss, some lotion, and I guess money, of course. And that's it. And I'm gonna put it back in so you guys can see what the purse looks like. With everything in it. That's it. That's my purse. I'm putting it on. And this is what it looks like. Can you see it? No. But that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.